How to force restart Roblox. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If your Roblox is acting up or you see some of the glitch or the bug issue and want a forced restart, it is pretty simple to do so. Based on your Android version, there are two of the ways to carry on this process. Firstly, you can press and hold on to the application and head on to app info. Now to force restart it, tap on the force stop button and OK. This will allow Roblox to restart. Then you need to tap on the open button and your Roblox will be restarted. Now if you do not have the press and hold function in your device, fear not, you can easily navigate it by heading over to your phone settings. Tap on the phone settings. Now from here, you can scroll down and tap on the apps option. Head over to all apps and tap on the search icon to search for Roblox. Now again, follow the same step of force stopping it, that is basically the force restart, then tap on open. So you can follow any of this method to force restart your Roblox. This sums up the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in.